Today we're going to make a super delicious Ayurvedic meal called Kitchari. This is a traditional meal used by many Ayurvedic practitioners, since it's very easy to digest. It helps to strengthen agni, which is another word for digestive fire. It's very popular to use either once a week or as a part of a cleanse for a duration of say 7 to 10 days. It's a simple meal of rice, lentils and spices, but today I will also add some other vegetables. Plus this version is vegan friendly, as I will be substituting traditional ghee, which is a clarified butter, for coconut oil. I invite you to try and make this meal to give your digestion a well-deserved break. Let's start off by chopping some celery, sweet potato and cherry tomatoes. The amount of vegetables you use is entirely up to you. In a small bowl, mix 1 teaspoon of finely ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and finally 1 teaspoon of fennel. Preheat a large pot and add some coconut oil. Once heated up, quickly add your spices to the pot. Stir until they become fragrant. This should take under 30 seconds. Add your cherry tomatoes and stir them together with the spices. Next, add your lentils and rice. Stir until everything is well combined. Add filtered water, so it's just few centimeters above the rice and lentil mixture. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. Asafoetida is similar to garlic and onion in flavor. Now add the rest of your vegetables. Stir again. Bring to light boil, cover, and cook on low for the next 15 to 20 minutes. Then add some Himalayan or sea salt to taste. Some more filtered water if needed, and cook for further 10 minutes. And just before we finish cooking, let's add some chopped kale leaves. The main goal of Kitchari is to be highly digestible, so it should be soupy consistency, it shouldn't be thick. Give it a final stir, and now our Kitchari is ready to be served. Add some ground black pepper to taste. Always aim to have your Kitchari fresh. You can store it in the fridge for the next 24 to 48 hours, but it's not recommended according to Ayurveda, since leftover food has very little prana, which is another word for life force energy. I like to make this Kitchari recipe in the morning and have 3-4 portions throughout the day. Enjoy this meal and see you in my next video.